Hello, 6th grade. I'm going to go over the rubric with you for your instrument research project. So when we go into our Schoology page for 6th grade music, you're going to click on the folder for today's class. And in the folder, I've added some videos. So I've added how to document your websites on your sources page, how to copy and save a photo for your projects. Some of you are asking if you can turn in your note-taking sheets. However, I would like for us to take a look at the rubric before you do that. Okay, so our rubric has the graded items listed in the first column, the requirements to get a perfect score for those items, and the number of points that each item is worth. The last column is something I will fill out once you've submitted your note-taking sheets. All right, so the very first thing I need all of you to be aware about, in your project you have a sources page where you have to document where you found your information. You need to record the book's author and publisher and things like that, and you also have to record the information about the websites that you choose to use. You need to make sure you have included all information for 3 different sources. Correct spelling is required. That's worth 20 points. If you use a 4th source, which is optional, you will get extra credit points for that. But you have to make sure that you include all of the information. Question 1 is an opinion. It asks why you chose your instrument, so it does not require a source. You don't have to write anything over here. You can write myself if you would like. That is worth 1 point for the answer. Questions 2 through 12 require a source. I know some of the answers may be things you know, but you must back it up with one of your sources. List the source number next to each question. So when you create your sources page, you have source 1, source 2, source 3, and source 4. You need to go in and tell me in this column right here what number you used. If it was book, number 1. If it was your second website, number 2, and so forth. Use the book and the recommended websites as sources. Correct spelling and accurate answers are required for all questions. And some of these questions require more than one answer. Make sure you have answered all parts of the question. So look and make sure you've answered all parts of the question. You may use Google to find your picture for question 13. Make sure to list what website you found your picture as a source for, or you can put it right here. Total, the note-taking sheets are worth 100 points. You need to be listing your source in the column. You need to be listing a complete correct answer in the answer column, and you need to make sure that you have completed the sources page. All right, looks like you're on your way. The rubric is going to be posted on Schoology for you to review. Notice some of the questions are worth more points than others. That's because they require more detailed answers or more information for you to find. All right, have fun. Enjoy learning about your instrument.